Madison believed that these rights were natural rights, or stemmed from nature and God. These natural rights were enshrined in English tradition, and he felt they ought to be protected by the American government. Some of Madison's proposed amendments failed to garner sufficient support. However, the following 10 did. First, he proposed the right to freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. Second, the right to keep and bear arms. Third, the right to prevent the government from using citizens' homes as barracks for soldiers. Fourth, a ban on unreasonable search and seizure. Fifth, protections for people accused of crimes, forbidding double jeopardy, or being charged twice for the same offense, and seizing property without just compensation. The right to refuse to self-incriminate, the right to jury, and the right to due process or fait procédure. Sixth, the right of the accused to have a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury. Seventh, the right to a jury trial in federal civil cases. Eighth, a ban on excessive bail and fines and cruel and unusual punishment. Ninth, an acknowledgement of unenumerated rights, or additional rights that haven't been explicitly listed. And 10th, a statement that rights not listed in the Constitution are under the direction of the states and the people. These rights have since become an indispensable hallmark of US law and a model for free governments around the world.